All right, let's practice for our first objective in the circuits unit. Remember, as always with these videos, pause after I read the question, think of your answer, unpause and see if you're right. What happens to the electrical energy that the power or battery provides? Now in this picture, don't ignore, you can ignore it, pretend it's closed. What happens to the electrical energy from the battery? Press pause while you think. All right, we know the electricity will run through the light and the light will turn on. And if you've ever touched a light bulb, it also gets hot. So that means some electrical energy changes to heat and some changes to light. So blue is correct. Which of the following best describes the function of a resistor in a circuit? What do resistors do? Press pause. This is the most commonly missed question of this Kahoot every year. Remember, resistors are light bulbs, so they use current. And another way of saying use is they control the amount of current. So resistors control the amount of current. You might want to add that to your notes somewhere if it's hard for you to remember that one, because you're probably going to see it on the quiz. What is the function of the part in this circuit labeled Z? So what does Z do? Press pause while you think. All right, Z, if you didn't know, is a battery. That's how we represent batteries, a big line next to a small line. So this is actually two batteries, one there, two there. So now that you know that it's a battery, hopefully you know it provides the energy source. W is a resistor, just like Y, and they both control current. X is a switch that can open and close the circuit, turn it on and off. Electrons or electricity only flow through a circuit if what is true? Press pause. Remember, circuits only work, here's my battery, if they can go all the way around. So that means there's a complete path between the sides or terminals of the battery. Blue is good. Which of the labeled parts of this circuit is a resistor? So which of these P, Q, R, or S is a resistor? Go ahead and press pause. All right, remember, resistors are kind of tricky, but if you don't know the answer, well, you know R is a battery, S is a switch, Q is a wire, and yes, P is a light bulb, but remember in our notes we said light bulbs are the most common resistor, so P is correct. Electric circuits provide energies for light bulbs. Which of these would prevent electricity or electrons from flowing? Go ahead, press pause. All right, remember, we said for electricity to work earlier, it has to be able to go all the way around from one side of the battery to the other. If it does not, in other words, if we have something like this, it would not work. This is called an opening or an open circuit. So yellow is correct. What is an electrical short? Press pause while you think. Now remember when we were doing our notes, our video, we first said with electrical shorts are they are dangerous. Electricity goes so fast we can get fires, but danger is the key for electrical shorts. All right, you're all ready now. Look over your notes, review this practice, and you should be good for your quiz.